Welcome back. Today we will see the mapping of K-map. Okay, for two variables or for three variables. Is it clear? Now if you observe this one in the mapping of K-map, let us consider first of all two variable K-map. The first priority should be given to the quad, the next priority should be given to the pair, and the least priority should be given to the isolated one. Now if you observe this first one, if you observe this one here, okay, there is a quad formation. Since it is a two variable K-map, we are having four cells. In all the four cells, if there is one, then what is an output means one. What is an output means one. Now if you observe this, you have to give the priority for quad like this. Sorry, for pair like this. Why? Because there is no quad chance. Now if you observe how to pick up means, see this respective row, what is a thing you are having? 0, it belongs to a, therefore it is a bar. Okay, next into, is there any constant here? No, there is no constant. Why? Because b is changing from 0 to 1, therefore there is no constant. We have to pick up the constant one. That's why what is the answer means a bar is the answer. Now if you observe this one, once again we are having a pair here. Now if you observe that here there is a bar, here there is 1, therefore there is no constant. But if you observe the column here, what is that one? We are having 1 with respect to b, therefore for this what is an answer? B. Similarly if you observe this one, okay, then once again it is changing from 0 to 1, therefore we should not consider. Then what is the output we have to consider? That is 0, that means it is b bar. Now similarly, what is this? Okay, now if you observe that b is changing from 0 to 1, since we are having two columns but only one row, what is that? A is the answer. But if you observe this one, we do not have any quad chance, we do not have any pair chance, therefore these are isolated ones, a single one. Okay, that means what is this means? Here we are having a into b bar. For this, see, a into b bar plus, if you observe that for this what you are having, a bar is there, this is b, a bar into b. In this way we have to group in the, in this way we have to group in the K-map. Okay, now let us consider a case in this. If you observe this case, okay, if you observe this case, here there is no chance of quad, but for this there is a chance of pair like this, and for this there is a chance of pair like this. That means we are having two groups here. Okay, for this what is an output? What is the row? We are having a bar. Then if you observe that these two are changing from 0 to 1, therefore it is a bar. Then one more group we are having, therefore it will be plus. What is this? This is the second group. If you observe the rows, a is changing from 0 to 1, therefore we do not consider, but there is only one column. What is this? B, a bar plus b. This is the thing. Similarly, if you observe one more thing here, one more style. Now let us consider this one. We will use, let us consider this is a, b, 0, 1, 0, 1. If you consider this one, okay, now if you observe that there is a chance of pair like this and there is a chance of pair like this. Is it clear? Now for this group 1, if you observe that the rows are changing from 0 to 1 but the column is 0, that means b bar plus. Now if you observe this group, okay, the columns are changing from 0 to 1 but the rows is a constant. What is that? A, b bar plus a. In this way we have to group in the two variable K map. Once again I'm going to tell, the first priority should be given to quad, the second priority should be pair, and the final priority should be an isolated one. Is it clear? In this way you have to group in the two variable K map. Now we will see the three variable K map grouping. Is it okay? Now if you observe that, we will see the mapping of three variable. Here the first priority should be given to, the first priority should be given to octet. Why? Because it is a three variable, 2 power 3, 8 cells. The second priority should be given to quad, and the third priority should be given to the pair, and finally the fourth priority should be given to the isolated one. Okay, in this manner, you have to give the priority. Now observe very carefully here. The first one, observe this one. Here there is an octet. There is an octet. Therefore, what is an output means 1 is an output. Okay, if you observe this, there is a chance of quad. Therefore, we are going to form a quad here. Now, if you observe that there is in each and every column, there is a change in the variable. But here there is only one row. What is the output? A bar is an output. Now, if you observe this one, once again there is a possibility of quad. Okay, once again if you observe that there is no constant one for this group, what is the answer for this? Since the row is a constant, therefore A is an output. Now if you observe for this, here there is a chance of quad. Okay, now if you observe the row, the rows are different, there is no constant. But if you observe the column, which one is constant here? This one is constant. What is that? B bar is constant. Okay, now if you observe this one, here we are having, there is a possibility of a quad here like this, and for this also there is a possibility of quad. That means we are having two quads. If you observe for this first one, the rows are changing from 0 to 1, but the columns, if you observe these two columns, which one is similar? B bar is similar. Plus, if you observe this one, the second quad, once again the rows are going to be changed. In this, the column, which one is constant? This one is constant. That means C is constant. That means B bar plus C. Now if you observe this also, we are having two quads here. This is one quad and this is another quad. If you observe for this quad also, the row is changing, but if you observe the columns here, this one is same, therefore C plus. Now for this, if you observe once again the rows are changing from 0 to 1. If you observe the columns, which one is constant? B is constant. Therefore, this is the answer for that. Now if you observe this, so many members are going to be confused. K-map allows folding. Remember, K-maps allow folding. That is a very important point here. Therefore, we can able to quad like this. The corners are going to be quad. Now if you observe that once again rows are changing from 0 to 1, but if you observe the column, which one is similar here? This C bar is similar. Therefore, what is an output for this? C bar is an output. Now for this, if you observe that there is a quad for this, and for this, if you allow the folding, there is a pair for this. Now what is that? If you observe the quad for this, rows are changing from 0 to 1, but what about column, which is what? B. Okay, here B is similar plus. Then the second group, if you talk about this pair, okay, this pair only present in only one column, then it becomes A bar. A bar, if you observe the columns here, sorry, only one row, that is A bar. If you observe the column, which one is similar? C bar is similar. Therefore, A bar into C bar. This is the output. B bar plus A bar into C bar. Now for that, try to tell, see here, there is a chance of pair. There is no chance of quad. Here there is a chance of pair. Now if you observe that for this, what is an output? A bar into, okay, which one is similar here? Observe that B bar is similar. A bar into B bar. Plus, we are moving to the second group. Here if you observe that A into, which one is similar here? B is similar. A into B. This is an expression for that. Now if you observe for this, there is no chance of quad, there is only chance of pair here, and this one is an isolated one. We can't do anything for that. Now for this group, what is our output? Row is changing from, if you observe, the row is changing from 0 to 1, but the column is what? B into C bar plus, this is an isolated one. How should you have to write? There is only one row, that is A bar. Then there is only one column, that is what? B bar into C. In this manner, you have to map three variable K-map. Okay, we will see the four variable K-map mapping. Now we will see the four variable K-map mapping here. Okay, if you observe the four variable K-map here, the priority should be given first of all to hexa, then octet, after that quad, then pair, and finally isolated. Now if you observe this one, since we are having 16 ones, therefore we can form hexa. What is an output means? 1 is an output. Now if you observe this one, Okay, we are having a chance of octet here. Therefore, there is no constant column present here. Okay, but if you observe the rows, there are two rows. In these two rows, which one is common? The 0 is common. That means what is an output? A bar is an output. Is it clear? Now similarly, okay, if you observe that, let us consider one more K-map here, which will consist of 16 cells. Sorry for that. Okay, which will consist of 16 cells. If you observe that, let us consider this is a K-map. Okay, now we know that since it is a 4 variable K-map, we are having 16 cells. Let us consider A, B, C, D are the variables. Now 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. It will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now let us consider the ones positions like this. Now let us treat it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now if you observe that, okay, since K-map will allow folding, therefore you can able to consider this one and this one as an octet. Now if you observe that the rows are changing continuously, but in the columns which one is constant? D bar is constant. Therefore what is an output means? D bar is an output. Now if you observe that, okay, here if you consider one more K map, I'm going to consider one more map here. Now see here, sorry for that, one more K map I'm going to consider. Okay, this is the K map. Let us assume that 16 cells are there. Okay, now the inputs will be A, B, C, D, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now let us observe very carefully. This one is very important. If there are ones like this, okay, if there are ones like this, then you can able to form a quad here. Why? Because it allows folding. Then this one, this one, this one, and this one will form a quad. That means if you observe how many rows it has, two rows. In these two rows, which one is common? If you observe that, okay, in this row and in this row, which one is common? B bar is common. B bar into, now columns, if you observe the columns, which one is common? D bar is common. This is B bar into D bar. In this way you have to group. Okay, in the 4 variable K map we will see some more examples in the 4 variable K map. Now we will see some more examples here. If you observe this example, the first example, now if you observe how this is a quad, we can able to form this one is a quad, and for this also since it allows folding, therefore I can able to form a quad like this. Okay, now if you observe this, here also there is a chance of possibility of quad here. We can able to allow a quad. Okay, now consider this one first group. Now if you observe that the rows are continuously changing here, therefore what is an output means? It is C into D bar plus, if you consider the second one, this and this pair, then it becomes what? Quad. Now if you observe that there are two rows, this one and this one, which is common? B bar is common. But in columns, if you observe that there are two columns here, which one is common means? C is common. B bar into C plus, now if you observe this one, this and this one, once again two rows are there, which one is common? A bar is common. A bar into, now if you observe these two columns, this and this, which one is common? D bar is common. A bar into D bar. This is an output for this. Okay. Now if you observe for this one, okay, if you observe for this one, uh, here we can able to form pair. There is no chance of octet. Here there is a possibility of pair. But so many members will confuse that, sir, we can also form a pair like this. No, so many members will do. Why? Because it is already present in the group. This one is already present in the group. No need of any mapping once again. Why? Because if it is not present in the group, then you can map. That means I will explain here. If you observe means, let us consider here there is no one. Then you can able to map. Then you can able to consider this mapping. Is it clear? But here, okay, we should not do this. Why? Because there is a one already present here. Therefore, we can map like this. Therefore, we can map, okay, with the other one, this one. Is it clear? Now, similarly, it is also a pair. Now, if you observe, what is an output for this? Okay, now if you observe, two rows are there. Which one is common? B is common. B into only one column is there. That means B into C into D bar plus, for this if you observe that only one row is there, therefore A bar into B. But if you observe that two columns are there, what is that? Which one is common? D is common plus, for this only one row is there. What is that row? A into B bar, but we are having two columns. Once again, which one is common? D is common. This is an output for this. Okay, now we will see this one. Now if you observe that we can easily form a quad with the corners, and for this we can't do anything, therefore it is an isolated one. There is no chance of pair, there is no chance of quad, octet, whatever it may be. First of all, we will see this corners group. Okay, how many rows are there? One, two rows are there. Which one is common? B bar is common. How many columns are there? Two columns are there. Which one is common? If you observe that D bar is common. B bar into D bar. Plus, if you observe this isolated one, only one row, one column. What is that row? A bar into B. Then what is that column? C bar into D. In this manner, you have to do the mapping in the two variable, four variable, and three variable K-map. That means 2, 3 and 4 variable K-map. Is it clear? Thank you very much. In the next class, we will see, okay, reduction of Boolean expression using Karnaugh map. Remember, this entire K-maps we have seen for sum of product. Okay, okay. The realization is same. The mapping is same for product of sum, but the only change is in SOP. In SOP, we are going to use, okay, once in the K-map. Okay, then for POS, we are going to use 0 in the K-map. Is it clear? This is the only difference present in that. Thank you very much. In the next class, we will see the Boolean functions, reduction or minimization or simplification using Karnaugh map. Okay, have a nice day. If you are having any queries, please comment. Thank you. Thank you very much for each and everyone.